Hello, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you once again for coming to my line dance channel for a tutorial of the dance Heartache on the Dance Floor, choreographed by Stephen Pistoia, 4 walls, improver level. It has one tag and a couple of restarts that are really pretty easy to hear. This is an older dance, 2017, but we're still doing it a lot out here, and I had a couple of requests for it, so I thought I would go ahead and put it on my channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And this is Scully. Once again, he is here when I'm teaching, and I always say I never know how long he's going to be there. So here we go. Scully and I are going to teach you Heartache on the dance floor. All right, so I'm facing 12 o'clock. You're going to take your right foot and take 2 walks, right, left, and a shuffle forward, step together, step, rock forward on your left foot, recover your weight back on your right, following your left shoulder, quarter turn to 9 o'clock, a side chassé or shuffle, step together, step. So we have a forward shuffle. If you're new to line dancing, a shuffle or a chassé, we go step together, step. We can also go sideways, we can also go back. So we have 2 so far in this one. So one more time with counts. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're at 9 o'clock for the second count of 8. Take your right foot. You've got all your energy going to your left after you've done that side shuffle. Take your right foot, cross it over, 1. Step out on your left foot, 2. Rock your weight to your right, 3. Rock your weight to your left, 4. Right foot over for a cross rock. Diagonal, recover, and another side chassé or shuffle, step together, step. I'll do it one more count this here, one more time here, and then I'll turn it so you can see it. So I'm weighted on my left foot. I cross 1, 2, rock over, 3. Let me straighten, let me do that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn my back so you can see that. You would have just come from here and done 7 and 8. 1, 2, side 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do those 2 8s together for you. Starting on the right foot, walking forward, we have 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock, recover, side, triple, 7 and 8. Take it over and out, shift right and left. Right, rock, recover, and right, left, right. Third count of 8, all of your weight's on your right. Another rock, recover with a side shuffle. This is a cross rock here, so we take left, right, cha, cha, cha. Now, on this one, as you get your weight at the end of that left, get ready because you're actually going to turn a half, take your right foot and shuffle. So I'm going to turn it and go right, left, right. Take my left foot, rock back, rock forward on my right. Let's go over that with a little bit more space, okay? So after I've gone my to here, I'm going to take this over, rock, recover, left, and right, left, right, back, front. Yeah? So when I'm doing that, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and to my right, rock, recover. Back to the top. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, side 7, take it over on 1, 2, shift 3, 4, rock 5, side, and 7, cross rock on 1, 2, a 3, and 4, turn 5 and 6, rock back 8. So here we are at 9 o'clock. We're going to take our left foot into a side mambo. We're going to take it out and cross, rock left, recover right, coaster step, step back, step together, step forward. So when I'm doing this cross rock, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's your last count of 8, and that will be done facing here. Okay? And then you start the dance again. And there are, as I said, some quick restarts, but let's get through the dance. I'm going to do it twice for you at this wall and this wall before we talk about the tag and the restarts. Okay, Oh, hi Scully. He's just flipped over for y'all. Okay. You're funny. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Walking 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6. Side 7. Cross it over. Go right. Go left. Sway right and left. Rock recover. Side 7 and 8. Cross 1, 2. Follow your left shoulder. 5 and 6. Step back out. Side rock cross. Side rock cross. Rock recover. Let's go again. And 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock, recover, quarter turn, 7, cross rock, overstep it, side, right, left, cross rock. Now, shuffle cross again, left, follow your left shoulder as you turn, right, left, right, rock, back, mambo side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We go left, right, a left, right, left. Okay, so that's all the choreo. So, for the restart, there are 2 of them during wall 2 and during wall 9. And what happens is you actually dance 20 counts. So you do the first 2 8s and the first 4 counts of the third 8 for both of them, and then you restart it. The first one happens during wall 2, which means I dance it here. This is wall 2. So this is how it works. We have 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. We keep going. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you don't do the turning. You start again. Walk, walk. So your first restart happens that soon. Second wall. Started here. So this now will become your third rotation, your fourth, your fifth, your 6th, your 7th, your 8th, your 9th, and when you're at the 9th, the exact same thing happens. You'll be starting here, and then you will do the 20 counts, which means that your restart will actually happen at this wall, okay? Now there is a tag, and my brain is blanking as to when it is, so I'm gonna check. So I make sure I tell you the right one. Okay, it is. The tag is at wall 5. So, and the tag will actually have, and this will be where you're facing when you do it. The tag is simply this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and it comes at the end of the dance. So I'll have just gone bum, 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 rock, recover, coaster, step, right, left, and start again. Okay? Now it sounds like a lot when you have to remember the tags and the restarts, and it can be, but it actually on this song is pretty easy to hear them. And as you dance it and get more familiar with the song, if you're not already, it'll make sense to you. Okay? So we're going to give this a little shot with some music, which is Heartache on the Dance Floor by John Party. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. We walk. 1.
Yeah, we just hanging out.
Side.
Some little West Coast.
Cross it over. Shake it.
Got a bar out by the sand.
Right.
So I made my way. And first thing that got
Turn it. Cross
like
back.
I ever seen.
Mambo.
Southern autumn hair of California dream.
Walk it out.
Some shady with some old Motown song I couldn't set it straight. So I sang.
That's your first tag. And you go, not tag. Okay, start. Sorry about that. Look it out. Turn left and turn it. Turn. Yeah. just woke up. Did you see that? I finished the dance and Scully turned to see if anybody was looking at him. So thank you so much. That is Heartache on the Dance Floor. As I said, this is a little older dance, but holy moly, it's still so much fun. I really appreciate you coming here, checking out the tutorials, and subscribing. Please, please, oh please, comment. I love that so much. Like the video, share the video. And if you are in the Los Angeles area, that is where I teach. Come out and see me. Come out and see Scully. And we'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks.